In the Play Store app, tap on your profile icon and select Personalization in Play. Tap on Play History here, and you'll see all your activity. Each activity has an X button next to it that you can tap to permanently remove it. Once removed, Google will forget it happened, so it won't influence your recommendations. Open Personalization in Play and tap on other Play personalization options. Here, tap on Manage under your Play content and you'll see all apps and games you ever installed. Just tap the toggle next to the app you don't want used for personalization, and it will not be included for app recommendations. Tap on your profile icon and select Manage Apps device. Here, move to the Manage tab and select this device then Not Installed. You'll see all uninstalled apps. Select the checkbox next to each item here and then tap on the Delete icon in the top right corner to remove them all. Tap on your profile icon and select Settings. Under the General section, open Interests and tap on both Remove Game Interests and Remove App Interests to clear them.